This video will show you how to set up your payout account to get paid on Facebook. So if your Facebook account or your Facebook page is eligible to earn whether through stars or other monetization features on Facebook, you will need to set up a payout account so that you can get paid. And that is exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. But before we get started, I would like you to subscribe to this channel so that you can get free tips just like this, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I publish a new video, you will be the first to get notified. And also like this video so that it can get to more users that need help about their Facebook monetization payout. So to get started, log into your Facebook account and click on your profile icon as you are seeing on your screen. The profile icon will land you to this page, and once you're on this page, you can click on the drop down icon as you are seeing on your screen to select the page that is eligible for monetization. If it is your Facebook account that is eligible for your monetization, you don't need to click on the drop down icon, but if it is your Facebook page, then you have to click on the drop down icon to select the page. Once you have selected the eligible page, then click on professional dashboard. Under the professional dashboard page, you will see a tab menu at the top of the page. Just scroll right and select monetization. Now click on set up payout account, and this is where the setup procedure begins. As a bonus, I will drop a link in the description of this video. The link will take you to a well-written tutorial of this video that highlight the step-by-step guide of how you can set up your Facebook payout monetization features with image illustrations. So you can click on the link to go to the articles to follow up on your setup process in case you cannot keep switching to watching video and setting up the payout features at the same time. So you can just use the article to follow up step by step on the setup procedure. With that being said, let's dive in. After clicking on setup payout account as I have explained earlier, then this page will appear. On this page, you will have to enter your first legal name, your last name, your date of birth, and your country of residence. However, it is important to note that names you will be entering on this page will be the name that appears on your ID card and will be the name that appears on your bank account, and the country you will be entering on this page will be the country that has your bank. Once you enter the correct details, click on next. Another page will appear, and this is where you will enter your business information. If you have a business, then you have to choose the type of business you run and the country where your business operates. But if you don't have a business, all you just have to do is select individual/sole proprietor, then click on next. Wait, before clicking on next, it is important to know that if you are setting up your payout account as a business, then you will need to provide all the documents that associate to the business as requested by Facebook. Now that you have get that right, click on next and let's proceed. On this page, enter your personal information. However, it is important to know that even though you are setting up as a business, this page requires you to enter your personal information, not your business information. Regarding the tax identification number TIN, I have created a video that explains the step-by-step process of how to get your individual tax payer identification number. So at the end of this video, the video will be displayed to you. You can also check the description of this video to get the link that will take you to the video that talks about how to get your TIN online in Nigeria. Now, this is where you will add your bank account. I mean, we are all here for the big bag, right? So just follow this step to add your bank account to the payout setup. If you have a PayPal account, you can also link your PayPal account as well. But due to the fact that PayPal in Nigeria does not accept payment, does not accept fund from foreign companies, so we cannot use PayPal in Nigeria. We will only have to add our bank account. So to add your bank account, you will need your bank Swift code and your bank account number. To get your bank Swift code, you can go to your web browser to search for it. As for me, I use UBA, United Bank for Africa. So I will just input UBA Swift code and you will see UBA Swift code online. Copy your bank Swift code and paste it in the designated box. Now enter your bank account number and confirm your bank account number again. Then click on Link Bank. Now, the tax number you entered at the beginning of the payout setup, this is where you will add more information about it. If the tax number you added is valid, this page will bring out your name and say continue as your name, as you are seeing on the screen. So this means if you add anyhow number just to continue to set up your payouts, maybe you don't have a tax identification number and you just feel like adding anyhow number, when you get to this page, it will stop you because the tax is not valid. And if you think you have a valid tax, maybe you have generated your tax for long and you don't remember and you want to validate your tax number again, I will also drop a link in the description of this video. The link will take you to my video that explain how you can validate and get your tax back again. Now click on continue as your name. Now set up your tax information on this page. On this page, you will be asked if you are a US citizen or your business operates in the US. So you have to select everything accordingly. If your business operates in the US, then select US. And if your business operates in somewhere else, then select not US. So Facebook will file your tax according to the country where your business operates. Let's fast forward it. Yes, on this page, you will need to sign your tax agreement. So to sign, you will have to enter your full name, your full legal name, as you are seeing on your screen right now. Then after entering your full legal name, then select the date. You can modify the date to a day before or after to fit your time zone. Now click on next to continue. On this page, review all your information carefully before you submit. If there is mistake or any error, you can go back to rectify it. Once all the information are fact-checked and they are accurate, click on submit. Once you click on submit, your application will be submitted and will be waiting for review. Upon approval, you will receive an email from Meta confirming your application has been approved and you can now earn and receive payout. Did you get value from this video? Please appreciate by liking and subscribing to this channel. And once again, don't forget that any link you need, you can get it in the description of this video. You can get a link to the article that explains with easy step-by-step image illustration of how to complete your payout account on Facebook. So you can use the article for follow-up on the step-by-step process. You will also get a link to a video that discusses about how you can generate your taxpayer identification number online, and it is 100% free. And you will also get a link to a video that discusses about how to validate and get your tax number again if you have already generated tax number in the previous days or in the previous years and you don't remember it. So that video will teach you how you can get the tax number again and how you can validate tax number. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. My name is Timmy Samuel. I will see you in the next video.